Welcome back, folks. Last time we tackled the riveting world of hanging shelves and stud-based storage solutions. But today, we're doubling the fun with no sneak peeks. So buckle up as we dive deeper into the hilarious oddities of bedroom organization. And don't forget, whenever you're on the hunt for space-saving ideas, just think Simp Home, your one-stop shop for comedic twists that'll keep you grinning while you're winning at organizing. An ideal bed with a four-legged safe haven. Picture this, a cramped bedroom, books spilling everywhere, and your pet staring at you with judgmental eyes. Desperate times call for desperate measures, and our author has found the answer, a storage bed for humans and pets. Step 1, put a pen to paper and sketch your dream bed, complete with measurements for your furry roommate. Step 2, channel your inner lumberjack and cut plywood and lumber according to your blueprint. Now, with all the pieces ready, it's time for some DIY magic. Assemble the drawers like a Tetris master and set them aside. Erect the bed frame and cubby using screws and wood glue as your trusty sidekicks. Once that's done, it's time to attach headboards, nightstands, and slides, then slide those drawers into place. Give everything a good sanding before staining and painting in pristine white. Finally, let that paint dry and crown your masterpiece with a platform bed and cushion for your pet. Behold, a bedroom oasis that's both human and pet approved, and that's what we call a pawsome solution. The thrifty sleeper's dream, a storage bed from old dressers. So you've got an old dresser just begging to be repurposed, right? Time to get those DIY skills in gear and start slicing and dicing. But don't worry, we're not talking about Thanksgiving dinner, just the dressers. Once you've got your leveled up drawer sections, give them a fresh coat of paint. It's like a day at the spa for your furniture. Rejuvenating. Now arrange those fancy dressers in the bedroom following the size of your mattress like you're solving a puzzle. Don't forget to leave a tantalizing gap in the middle for a touch of suspense. Slap a sheet of plywood on top, nail it down, and you've got yourself a storage bed with a twist. But wait, there's more. Jazz it up with a sliding barn door for that rustic chic vibe. And there you have it, a storage bed that's equal parts functional and comical. Because who wouldn't laugh at the thought of sleeping on a refurbished dresser? Sleep tight and enjoy your upcycled slumber. Elevate your storage game with the Lift Up Bed Project idea. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for a bedroom storage revelation? Buckle up as we explore a gravity-defying solution that'll have your friends and family in awe. Step 1, gather your trusty mom dressers and lure-back slatted frame, a dynamic duo of this space-saving adventure. Step 2, assemble the mom unit like a pro, then line it up along the bed frame like a secret storage army awaiting your command. Step 3, mount some sturdy timber on the opposite wall, reaching as high as your dressers. This timber team will serve as additional support, keeping your bed secure when it's time to defy gravity. Step 4, place the lure-back slatted frame atop the timber and dressers. Now it's time to install the foot end tilt adjustment, the pièce de résistance that'll send your bed soaring to a 70-degree angle. Step 5, fill in any gaps with doors crafted from leftover wood, and finally, add a splash of color with paint or stain. Behold a lift-up storage bed that's both functional and hilarious. Sleep well, and may every morning the bed lift up without you. Levitating Wonders, the Minimalist floating nightstand idea. Wave goodbye to those dull, leggy nightstands and say hello to a chic minimalist floating unit that's guaranteed to make your bedroom soar. Step 1, slice the oak wood into pieces like a master chef creating the main body, legs, and shelves of your levitating nightstand. Step 2, give the main body panels a sleek 45-degree angle cut, ensuring a seamless nightstand that'll leave your friends spellbound. Step 3, carve out a recess for your wireless charger, creating a sneaky charging spot that's as smooth as your nightstand's edges. Step 4, assemble your nightstand body using wood glue and nails as the secret ingredients to bind your creation. Step 5, build a drawer box in front, then install the slides like a DIY superhero. Your bedroom transformation is almost complete. Step 6. Construct a rectangular frame for the legs and shelf and assemble it all using wood, glue, and oak dowels, the grand finale of your floating masterpiece. Finish with a gorgeous stain to highlight the natural texture of the oak, and finally leave your guests scratching their heads wondering how you pulled off such a gravity-defying feat. A secret agent nightstand, a storage mission with a twist. Step 1. Transform your 1x12-inch board into a nightstand to be. We're building a storage wonder, my friend, not just a piece of furniture. Step 2. Unleash your inner DIY sleuth and grab the beadlock joinery kit. Follow the manual's cryptic instructions to create the perfect holes for a clandestine assembly. Step 3. Build the drawer box and secret compartment. It's like constructing a hidden treasure chest for your bedroom bounty. Step 4. Secure every connection with wood, glue, and nails and let it dry overnight. Patience, young grasshopper. Greatness takes time. Step 5. Install drawer slides and boxes, and don't forget that sneaky compartment above the drawer. It's your nightstand's undercover storage sidekick. Step 6. Attach the top piece with lid stay torsion hinges for a grand reveal. Sand, stain, and paint your nightstand to make it the star of the show. That's right, folks, your hilarious new covert storage solution that'll leave friends and family giggling with intrigue is completed. Sleep well, secret agents. Crates to the rescue, a farmhouse-style nightstand project idea. Gather round, folks, and witness the astonishing transformation of 2 humble crates into a stylish end table for your farmhouse bedroom. Begin. Sand those crates to perfection, because nobody likes a splinter party in the bedroom. Next, construct a base stand using timber, long pieces of wood, and nightstand legs. Stack those crates like a bedroom Jenga tower, secure them with nails, and feel the satisfaction of a crate-tastic creation. Later, craft doors from hardwoods and top sides from deck rails. Then attach them with hinges and wood glue. Voila! Your crate nightstand now has a secret lair. Finally, apply a white primer followed by 2 coats of white chalk paint. For that chic, distressed look, gently rub sandpaper over the surface. Behold the nightstand made out of crates, a whimsical storage solution that'll have your friends and family chuckling with delight while you bask in your farmhouse-style glory. The plywood adventure and a custom closet shelving idea. With plywood and cleat boards, you're about to turn chaos into organized comedy. Step 1. Screw cleat boards into the wall like you're hanging pictures at an offbeat art exhibition, 9 inches from the floor. Next, cut, sand, paint, and place plywood on the bottom shelf. Who said closet shelves couldn't be a work of art? Install vertical cleat boards, like they're skyscrapers, supporting the top shelf in your tiny bedroom metropolis. Later, provide middle support for the bottom shelf. Trust me, nobody wants a comedy of collapsing shelves. Step 5. Build cubbies that reach for the stars or just the top shelf on the right side of the closet. Secure everything with wood glue, nails, and screws. Safety is first in the world of comedic closet construction. Lastly, attach a rod of hangers and decorate it with beadboard panels. Paint it any color that tickles your funny bone. And there you have it, a rib-tickling custom closet shelving adventure that's sure to keep your bedroom organized and your audience in stitches. The final built-in closet chronicles for the cluttered corner. Welcome to the whimsical world of DIY built-in closets. Proportional design plans are your secret weapon for a tidier bedroom, no matter the size. Imagine your plywood sheets morphing into side panels, back panels, and shelf pieces, a satisfying symphony of wood glue and pocket hole screws. The transformation is mesmerizing. Now picture the timber-based stand, sturdy as a tree trunk, hosting your shelf box like a proud parent. With the back panel secured, your closet unit stands strong. Let the magic continue as drawer boxes appear and nestle into the destined spaces like puzzle pieces. Behold the edges trimmed with pine molding, topped with cap molding, and grounded by base molding. A true work of art. And for the grand finale, watch as paint and gold drawer pulls add a touch of elegance to your masterpiece. Finally, sit back, enjoy the show, and prepare to mesmerize as you craft your very own built-in closet system. Well, that's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching this video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you believe it'll motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly, though, it is more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project, and we'll see you again soon.